Hi and welcome back. My name is Marta from Cooking the Word, and in this channel we help people who like to cook, eat and travel to find traditional recipes and places to eat traditional food. In this video we're going to concentrate on the cheese that comes from Frankfurt, which is called Hand Käse or a hand cheese. The hand cheese is made of non-homogenized milk, salt and baking soda. It is a sour milk cheese. In this video we're gonna show you 3 different recipes how you can prepare this lovely cheese. The cheese is served traditionally with a raw onion sauce. The name hand cheese comes from the way that the hand cheese was made, so it was shaped by hand. And now, after this short introduction, I think we are ready to prepare the cheese.
The first recipe that we're gonna cover is the traditional one. For hand cheese with music, you're gonna need good quality hand cheese, onion, oil and vinegar. So at first you're gonna take oil and you're gonna combine it with a vinegar. Then you're gonna pour the oil vinegar mixture to the onions, mix them well and add to the cheese. You want to cover the whole thing with a foil and leave it in the fridge overnight so the cheese can absorb all the flavors. But don't forget about the cheese, it's not gonna be good after 3 days. The next recipe is called Hand Cheese Tatar and I found it in the book written by Brigitte Knepp, Handkäsekompositionen. So for this recipe we're gonna need hand cheese, we're gonna need chopped onion, butter with a little bit of cream, mustard, lemon juice, paprika powder, organic egg yolk, caraway seeds and pepper. First we want to create a paste of a hand cheese, butter and cream. I think for this job it's better to use food processor. Next you want to combine the mixture with the rest of the ingredients and your tartar is done. And now we're gonna get very fancy. We're gonna mix spicy and sweet. This recipe I also found in Handkäsekompositionen book. And to make this lovely paste we're gonna need hand cheese, cream cheese, cranberries, horseradish paste and a little bit of pepper. First you need to mix cream cheese with cranberries and horseradish. And then you're gonna add the mixture to the chopped hand cheese, add a little bit of pepper and your paste is done. All the dishes should be served with a rye bread.
So now you got to know one of my favorite cheeses. And the question what I've got for you is, what is your favorite cheese? If you are interested in the Frankfurt recipes, you should see one of our previous videos where we show how to make the real Frankfurt green sauce. And if you are coming here to Frankfurt, we have also a video where we introduce all Frankfurt specialities that you have to try on your trip here. Thank you very much for watching and I hope to see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to get to know all traditional foods from all around the world with us. Have a lovely week and bye!